The government of India's Sagarmala Program is an aggressive, multi-billion-dollar initiative designed to modernize the country's ports and supercharge its economic output. But executing this vision means developing over 7,000 kilometers of raw, highly exposed coastline. When you push a concrete edge out into the open sea, you are inviting thousands of tons of kinetic energy to batter against it 24 hours a day. Realizing this national economic vision relies entirely on engineering structures capable of surviving those brutal, invisible aquatic forces. Taming that environment requires highly specialized marine gear. Standard concrete and steel are insufficient against these forces. Traditionally, managers source this equipment from a fractured global supply chain, coordinating with 6 different manufacturers just to outfit a single dock. This highly fragmented logistical supply chain now serves as the primary bottleneck, creating a drag that slows India's maritime progress. The first major engineering challenge of building a port happens entirely out of sight. You have to keep the massive retaining walls from collapsing outward, spilling the surrounding earth into the sea. This diagram reveals the internal anatomy of a dock's foundation. To safely distribute that immense outward pressure, engineers use marine tie rods and anchors to connect the seawall back into the solid earth. For years, Bolin has provided world-class ASDO marine anchors from Germany to form this structural foundation. But securing the soil is only the baseline requirement. That wall now has to survive the massive arrival of commercial vessels. Picture a fully loaded cargo vessel slowly approaching the dock, displacing massive amounts of water. That forward momentum results in massive kinetic energy. To safely dissipate that force, a port requires highly engineered, shock-absorbing fendering systems. These come in the form of conical, cellular, and pneumatic heavy-duty maritime fenders. Without these specialized kinetic dissipators, a single docking maneuver would crack the concrete and cause structural failure to millions of dollars of infrastructure. Once a ship is successfully docked, the danger shifts. The ocean currents and tides now exert an immense, constant pulling force, trying to drag the vessel back out to sea. To lock the ship in place against these elements, ports rely on heavy-duty bollards and quick-release hooks. To actively support the Sagarmala Program, Bolin is evolving. They are bringing all of these critical components, the anchors, the fenders, and the bollards, under one roof. This unified catalog removes the procurement frictions established earlier, streamlining construction timelines across the board. For project managers, the reality has changed. Bolin is now India's definitive one-stop shop for all engineered port solutions. Their mission is to serve as a dedicated technical contributor, ensuring the Sagarmala initiative is built on world-class safety standards. If you are planning an upcoming marine project in India and need technical specifications or equipment inquiries, reach out to their team at assist@bolin.co.in. Ambitious national infrastructure plans capture the headlines, but they only become reality through reliable, unified engineering at the micro level.